have some fun with this gun in the bath and play with a new toy which Grandad and Grandma might bring to you, or you might pick it up when you come to see baby Alex. Okay, here we go. Whoa, where have I gone? Oh, hold on a minute. There's the targets. Now we've got to find the gun. Can you see what they are? Come on, Jimby, get a grip. Jimby, behave. You ready? Oh, ready? Steady. Well done, Jimby. Hey, he's clever. Well done, Jimby. You'll be able to show Luke, won't you? You missed. You're missing. You can't even see. Well done. Okay.